Well, you know, we've known for some time that a Mediterranean diet can have a lot of advantages. By the way, here's what we're talking about a little bit in terms of the types of food. You get an idea of what a Mediterranean diet looks like. Yeah, pretty nice, right? That's our breakfast this morning. But we've known for some time that it can help decrease the likelihood of heart disease, strokes, things like that. What was interesting about this study, Michaela, they looked at 4,600 women. They were between the ages of 40 and 72. They were on this diet. They looked at specifically what they were eating, and then they took a blood test where they measured something specifically known as telomeres. This is a word a lot of people have been hearing about lately, but telomeres are basically I brought a sort of prop here, Jolly Rancher candy, not part of the Mediterranean diet. But you see, there's the animation there. But let me show you, when you look at a piece of candy like this, if the candy is the chromosome, the telomeres are the ends of that chromosome.
Okay.
As you age, those telomeres get shorter. And some people say it's a much better sort of reflection of your true age than chronological years. What they found was that people who were on the Mediterranean diet more likely to have longer telomeres. And that's where this longevity question gets into. We know it's good for your heart, you're preventing stroke, things like that, but you could actually live longer because of your genetics, is what this study is trying to show as well.
Do Mediterranean people live longer? Like, does it bear out empirically?
It does seem to bear out. So people who live in that part of the world and eat these types of food regularly, they seem to live longer.
In our morning rounds, taking a bite out of aging, a new study finds more evidence that the Mediterranean diet of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and fish can help you live longer. Our Dr. Tara Narula is a cardiologist at New York's Lenox Hill Hospital. Tara, good morning.
Good morning.
So previous studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet is good for you, it's good for your heart. What does this new study say?
So this study really looks at how diet affects how our cells age and essentially how rapidly we age. We know that on the chromosomes, on the very ends of our DNA, are something called telomeres. It's genetic material that actually protects our DNA. So every time the cells replicate, those telomeres act almost like the plastic tips on the end of shoelaces so that our DNA does not get damaged, destroyed, or scrambled.
They naturally shrink as you get older.
That's right. And so every time the cell divides, those telomeres shrink. And so we know that people with longer telomeres seem to have longer lives. So longer telomeres are associated with longevity and better overall cellular health, less chronic disease.
And the Mediterranean diet keeps the longer telomeres.
These vegetables, these fruits, this diet is full of antioxidants and basically has anti-inflammatory effects, and that's what protects the health of your DNA and your genetic material.